Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use bonus casino in OneWin. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneWin account, and to do so you will simply click on sign up. Here you're going to enter all your information. Next you're going to click on add promo code, and here you're simply going to enter the promo code MONAS. By using this promo code you will get 200% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you will get $150. All you have to do is to click on the deposit icon at the top right, and here you are going to proceed to deposit cash directly into your OneWin account. Once you have selected any payment method to deposit the cash into your OneWin account, you will benefit automatically of the casino bonus due to the fact that you have used the promo code mentioned earlier. So next what you are going to do is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and next you are going to scroll down until the section where you can find out OneWin games. So you are going to click on it. Next you are going to find out many games, and the condition to fulfill in order to use your bonus casino is simply to play 3 OneWin games. You have to play 3 times each of these 3 OneWin games. So you have to select 3 OneWin games and play 3 times with part of the bonus amount that you just earned through the promo code mentioned earlier. So you are going to click on one of these games, which include Lucky Jet. Next you are going to simply play it 3 times. Once you have completed, you are going to click on the Rocket game, the Rocket Queen game, and simply to start the play, and we are going to play it 3 times also. Once you have played all of these 3 times using the bonus account, we are simply going to click on the menu icon and then to proceed to a normal withdrawal in order to withdraw our money simply from OneWin. And it's as simple as that.